In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this Easter card. This Easter card was made using two stamp sets, Easter Promise. I have got the crocus here, and the sentiment came from Full of Happiness, both Easter sets that you can get currently. Here's another card that I made with this stamp set using the flowers and markers and purple posy. I embossed the Happy Easter and flowers in gold. So to start this card, I've already stamped and colored the crocus flowers. I also outlined the flowers with the light pool party to kind of make the flowers pop a little bit more. And then I'm just going to stamp the sentiment and then put everything on dimensionals. I'll tack this down first. This is the Lily Impressions Designer Series paper. Today is the last day that you can earn it for free with a $50 purchase. Every sheet has a design, like a canvas on one side and flowers on the other. It's a really, really pretty paper. Here it is right here. So you've got these really pretty flowers, and then you've got this kind of canvas painted look. Show you some other ones. Here's the green. And then there's blue. I love the purple one because that totally looks like canvas. And then there's an orange one that looks like canvas. And then this last one is kind of a red street. So really cool paper that you don't want to miss. So place an order today by going to my website, elainescreations.net, and using the hostess code, and I will send you a free gift. I also have a class, an Easter card class available that you can purchase all three stamp sets, Full of Happiness, Easter Promise, and Welcome Easter. And then I will have all the supplies and envelopes cut out and ready to go for you. And the whole package, including shipping, costs $70. So you'll get 3 stamp sets, supplies for 6 cards, free shipping, all for $70. Here in the United States only. So I'm going to use the white crinkled ribbon. This ribbon is fun because you can color it any color you want with the blends, but I'm just going to keep it white for this card. So I like to tie bows while the ribbon is on the roll, so that way I don't waste ribbon. And then of course I'm going to use a glue dot to adhere the ribbon. And just put the little bow over here, over here. I'm going to do over here this time. Brighten your day. Maybe not, because then it's covering the sentiment. There we go. Very nice. Thank you so much for watching this video tutorial. To check out all my other video tutorials, please subscribe to my channel, and please tell your friends about my channel too. Thanks so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.